What's up, everybody? I'm AK and welcome to the Minority Mindset. Forex investing, currency trading. Ooh, we've all heard so much about it, especially on the internet. These marketers, they love to tell you, ooh, you're gonna make so much money. And it's so easy. You only need a few bucks to start and you'll be making millions in no time. All right, maybe, but probably not. So today, in this video, we are gonna go over first what Forex trading is, and second, if it's right for you. So all Forex investing is, or currency trading, all it is betting how one currency will change in value compared to another. You want the currency that you're holding to rise in value compared to the other currency. So say you hold US dollars, and you're betting that US dollars are gonna rise in value compared to other currencies. So let's imagine that the euro and that the dollar, the exchange rate between them is 1-to-1. So 1 US dollar equals 1 euro. So now what if the exchange rate changes? What if it becomes 2 euros to $1? Well, guess what? As a holder of US dollars, your dollar just became more valuable. You made a profit. Before, you could only exchange $1 for 1 euro, but now you could exchange $1 for 2 euros. Holding those dollars ended up being the right move because the exchange rate changed in favor of the dollar. The dollar became more valuable. And that's basically the gist of Forex investing or currency trading. Now, it can get a lot more complicated than that. Like, it gets really complicated, but we'll discuss all that in a future video. But you're probably wondering, should you even care about Forex? I mean, there's stocks, bonds, crypto, there's all these different things. Does Forex even matter? Well, the short answer is no. And the long answer, well, kind of depends. For most people, Forex investing is a terrible idea because as a passive investment, it just doesn't work. It performs horribly. If you're a passive investor, which we've talked about in a previous video that I'll link to right here, then you're much better off buying index funds. But for the select few of you that want to make trading your entire career, you want to do it day in and day out, well then Forex could be a great place to make a lot of money. Now, Forex has the potential to make you a lot of money. Doesn't mean it's gonna make you all that money. And it's that potential that you see all these internet marketers selling. But the truth is that it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of expertise to actually make it in that market. Being successful in Forex trading is no joke. It's not easy. When you're jumping into the Forex market, you are competing against professionals and banks and against entire countries hedging their currencies. You're jumping directly into the pros. It's like you're going up against LeBron James immediately. And that's what I've found that traders and investors, especially new ones, don't understand about the markets. Just because markets are easily accessible, because you could just whip out your phone and jump on Robinhood, right? That does not mean that they're easy. You're competing against the best in the world, and only the best make money. The rest are providing that money that the best make. It honestly reminds me of little kids, because if you talk to a little kid today and ask them what they want to be when they grow up, they say a YouTuber. And what type of YouTuber? One playing Fortnite. Or they want to be, a pro gamer or something. And of course, these are little kids. I'm not blaming them or making fun of them, but they are falling for the trap thinking that because it's accessible, because anyone can play Fortnite, that it's easy to become pro, when in fact the guys that are pro are insane. They are so good and practice so hard. And you could jump into a Fortnite game and you might be playing with Ninja. Are you gonna win against Ninja? Heck no. But it's the same thing in the markets. It's accessible, but it's not easy, especially in currency trading. Another issue with Forex that makes it a more advanced market for advanced players is that you have to use leverage. Because exchange rates, they move pretty slowly. Like a really big move in the currency markets is just 1%. So if you had $100 and there's a 1% move, what, you'd make $1 on a giant, massive move? It sucks. Where in the stock market, you could see moves of 20% in a single day. Now that doesn't always happen. It's not as common, but it does happen. So you can make a much bigger return on your money. But because the moves in the Forex market are so small, everyone ends up on leverage, which means they're borrowing money from their brokerage. They're going on margin. And margin, let me tell you, it is dangerous. We'll talk more about it in a future video, but it's the same as taking on debt and then throwing it into the market betting on things. Dangerous if you're not a pro. So if you're looking at Forex trading or currency investing, only take it seriously if you want to become a full-time trader and investor. That means living and breathing markets, making it your passion, your sole goal. A lot of people ask me if they could do currency trading as a side hustle. I say no, that's probably not a good idea. It is no joke. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you hit that like button and share it with one friend so we can spread the word. Also, make sure to subscribe to the Minority Mindset channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our stock market videos, which we publish every Monday at 7:30 a.m. Eastern. And if you want more of me, you could go check out my personal channel, Infallible, where we publish every single day all about the stock market and business. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.